Hi everybody, we're back again. We didn't vlog that much today because we don't like vlogging that much. Well, we do like vlogging, but like it's a lot of work, you know? Like we forget about you sometimes. Yeah, so this is Mom vlog. This is Derek vlog. This is Nia vlog. And now Diana vlog.
Wiggle that fanny.
I feel like doing a Facebook Live.
They're like little doggies.
Yeah, so we're just here looking at random stuff. Yeah, that's all we're doing. But we'll talk to you guys when we get back.
We are hiking up to the hole in the rock in Papago Park. I'm recording a video because I guess it's the thing to do, right?
Right?
Even though the little YouTubers are way ahead of us.
You got them little YouTubers. Hold on, I need a break.
Hey, little YouTuber. I'm recording you
Why? Because Derek likes to record.
because I'm vlogging.
Oh, hi. I'm gonna go back up. This is a lot of work. I'm just gonna run. Come on! Go! Come on. Yeah.
Talk to it.
Hey everybody, so it didn't end the vlog and we're already back, so yeah, there's that. Also because, I don't know, when we're recording, we just want to like, I don't know. But this is our first vlog. I promise tomorrow that'll be better. Okay, and, thank you. I have to end this so we don't get copyrighted. Thank you.